Number 1. 1975 Ford F350 SUPERCAB 2WD, $7,500, Yakima, Washington. This rare Ford F350 SUPERCAB is a unique survivor from the mid-70s, featuring the venerable 390 cubic inch FE V8 engine paired to a 3-speed manual transmission. While the odometer has rolled over, the truck reportedly runs and drives great with recent maintenance including a new battery, upgraded brakes, newer wheels and tires, and a fresh tune-up. The minimal rust is a strong selling point for a vehicle of this vintage. At $7,500, this is a solid working-class collectible with good utility potential or rest-a-mod viability. Number 2. 1972 Chevrolet C20 Custom Deluxe 402 Big Block, $9,850, Olympia, Washington. This Chevrolet C20 packs a rare factory 402 cubic inch big block engine mated to a 5-speed manual transmission. With just 98,000 miles and very minimal rust, it stands out as a clean, drivable classic truck. The custom deluxe trim adds value, and the big block gives it desirable performance credentials. A solid choice for a collector seeking originality and power without overspending. Number 3. 1965 Chevrolet C20, $12,500, San Bernardino, California. A long bed 8-lug Chevy C20 equipped with a small block 350 and a turbo 400 automatic transmission. The suspension has been rebuilt, front disc brake conversion completed, and the rear brakes redone. It requires electrical work, weather stripping, and alignment, making it a good candidate for someone wanting a driver-quality truck with room for further restoration. Reasonably priced for the work already completed. Number 4. 1979 Chevrolet Camper Special Silverado, $7,500, Billings, Montana. This 3/4-ton 4-wheel drive camper special is a hard-to-find configuration, especially in this condition. Powered by a 350 V8 and automatic transmission, it comes from a second owner and reportedly drives well. At 81,000 miles, with extra parts included and clean cosmetics, it's a great find for anyone wanting a rugged classic square-body Chevrolet. A value buy at this price. Number 5. 1951 Ford F100 short bed, $7,500, Pueblo, Colorado. A nicely aged post-war Ford F100 short bed running a 327 cubic inch Chevrolet small block and a 4-speed manual gearbox. Though not original, this hot-rodded build runs well and has heat, good tires, and a nice interior. It blends classic style with hot rod culture and is priced attractively for weekend cruising or light restoration. Number 6. 1966 Chevrolet C10 High Torque 320 $17,000, Black Forest, Colorado. A one-of-a-kind survivor with a rare factory high-torque 327 V8, this C10 remains nearly all original. The seller has owned it since 1992 and driven it very sparingly. While it currently runs but is not roadworthy, the originality and historical traceability of this pickup make it highly collectible. A worthy project for purists, especially given the rare engine. Number 7. 1962 Ford Ranchero, $12,900, Carson City, Nevada. A unique offering, this Ranchero features a 200 cubic inch inline-six and automatic transmission from a 1965 Mustang. With 66,000 miles and a clean Nevada title, this vintage coupe utility vehicle blends car comfort and truck practicality. The Mustang running gear adds reliability and serviceability, a quirky collectible with growing popularity. Number 8. 1967 Chevrolet C20, $12,500, Gardena, California. This C20 looks to be in near showroom condition, with only 57,603 miles on the odometer and a manual transmission. It's a rare find. The bold orange paint suggests a recent restoration or exceptional preservation. Clean title, ready to drive, and located in California, this truck is ideal for enthusiasts looking for minimal hassle and maximum visual impact. Number 9. 1965 Ford F100, $14,000, Alameda, California, sporting a 390 cubic inch V8 and 5-speed manual. This F100 offers big torque and classic style. It needs some attention, new tires, brake upgrades, and paint touch-ups, but is rust-free and mechanically solid. With the odometer broken, mileage is uncertain, but this truck offers great potential as a Restomod or Patina cruiser. Number 10. 1975 Chevrolet El Camino Classic, $13,750, Escondido, California. A well-maintained example of a third-generation El Camino, this vehicle houses a 350 V8 and automatic transmission. It comes with a clean title and good running condition, though it requires some TLC, such as spark plug wires, cooling system work, and dash lights. Exempt from California smog testing, it's a great driver/object combo at a reasonable price. 1970 Ford F100 Ranger XLT, $12,000 Pendleton, Oregon. A clean and original example of Ford's Ranger XLT trim. This F100 has the classic 390 engine and a 3-on-the-tree manual gearbox. With only 101,000 original miles, it's a true survivor. Starts and runs well, making it an ideal entry-level classic pickup that still retains strong originality. Number 12. 1986 Toyota Custom Cab Dually, $12,500. Grants Pass, Oregon, a rare and quirky one-ton dually from Toyota, equipped with the ultra-reliable 22 RE engine and automatic transmission. With 144,000 miles and recent fuel system service, it is reportedly in excellent mechanical condition, no structural rust, and ready to be refreshed with new tires. Highly collectible due to its rarity and utility in the mini truck scene. Number 13. 1981 Dodge D150, $12,000, Iola, Kansas. This low-mileage Dodge Ram is powered by a slant-six engine and automatic transmission with 86,000 original miles and recent mechanical work. The two-tone paint and preserved interior make it a sharp classic. Dodge trucks from this era are gaining collector attention, and this one's condition places it well above average. Number 14. 1977 Ford F150 4WD, $9,000. Donelly, Idaho, a fair-condition four-wheel drive F150 with a 302 cubic inch V8. At 111,000 miles, it's mostly solid but needs mechanical work, including seals and belts. This is a work-ready classic truck for someone who enjoys wrenching or needs a functional vintage 4x4. A good price for a driver-quality rig with potential. Number 15. 1977 Ford F250 Custom Explorer, $9,800, Hillsboro, Oregon. Sporting a custom paint job and only 17,000 miles, this F250 is described as being in excellent condition. It has no rust and appears to be very well preserved or restored. This is a standout example of a late 70s heavy-duty Ford pickup, ready for show or light-duty work, priced very reasonably for the condition. Number 16. 1972 International Harvester 1210, $900, Bedford, Wyoming, a true project truck. This 1210 features a recently rebuilt carburetor and working 4-speed manual. The gauges are non-functional and the tires are aged. However, the glass is good and some brake work has been completed. At under $1,000, it's a rare opportunity to own a classic international, perfect for a restorer or creative builder. Number 17. 1968 Dodge D150 swept line, $4,950, Salem, Oregon. This Dodge D150 half-ton long bed features a 318 cubic inch V8 and 4-speed manual transmission. It runs and drives well, has light rust, and maintains a nicely aged patina. The odometer has rolled over, but overall condition makes it a solid platform for a patina build or vintage hauler. A great price for an honest, complete truck.